In 2020, many Black business owners saw a huge spike in sales and traffic to their websites and their businesses. Between May and June of 2020, it was reported that searches for Black-owned businesses increased by 7,000%. But towards the end of the year, it seems as if people lost interest in Black-owned businesses as the percentage of sales went down dramatically. In 2021, we should do better at supporting small local businesses within our communities and beyond. In this video, I'm going to give you a rundown of some of my favorite Black-owned businesses that I recommend for you to shop all year long. Hey guys, I'm Stephanie. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and all of that good stuff. I want to hop right into this video, starting with my favorite Black-owned skincare and makeup brands. I should also start by saying that just because a business is Black-owned does not mean you have to be Black to support it. Does not mean you have to be Black to use their products. You do not have to be Black to use a product made by a Black-owned business. Okay? Okay. So the first brand that I want to talk about that I absolutely love is Bolden Skincare. So I've been using two of their products. The brightening moisturizer, which has SPF in it, and their glow hydrating mask. These are both like bomb products that you should have. I really love this moisturizer. This is actually the first SPF moisturizer that I used, which sounds crazy, but I'm a growing woman and I'm learning the importance of SPF, okay? And it changed my life and I love it. I will no longer buy any moisturizer that doesn't have SPF in it. And then this glow hydrating mask, the first time I used it, I felt like I noticed my skin was brighter. I felt like I was glowing. I don't know how they did it, but it works. So I definitely recommend these two products. So another brand that I recently found is called the Melanated Bar, and I actually worked with them as a product photographer. I shot some images of their, I believe it's called the Glow Trio, and I decided to use the mask and I love it. It is the turmeric scrub, sorry. Well, I've been using this as a mask. It's actually a turmeric scrub. I've been using it as a mask and I love it. Speaking of scrubs, the next brand that I want to talk about is Diamonds by Dominique. I will always recommend this product to women who love to take care of themselves, who love to have like a luxurious vibe, who think diamonds are a girl's best friend, darling, okay? All of her products are handmade with natural ingredients. She has body scrubs, shea butters, foot scrubs. She has everything you need to complete your luxurious self-care Sunday. So this next brand that I want to talk about is an actual makeup company. It's called Proper Beauty. I actually have not tried their makeup products yet, but I see them on Instagram all the time. They have some really, really, really amazing nude tone lipsticks for Black women. So if you haven't heard of the brand, it's called Proper Beauty, and I will link their website in my bio as well, or in my description box, because it is a Black woman-owned business, and that's the trend. So far, we have all these Black woman-owned businesses. Maybe I'm just drawn to them specifically, but definitely check out Proper Beauty if you are in need of some new lipstick. And while we're on the topic of makeup, let's talk about Juvia's Place. I know you have probably already heard of Juvia's Place, but they have a very wide range of makeup products, from very pigmented eyeshadows to lipsticks to stick foundations and concealers. I think they have some highlighters. They have a bunch of stuff. So you can literally buy a full face of makeup from Juvia's Place and support another Black woman-owned business. Going back to body care, I recently found a brand called Alafia. I believe I'm saying that correctly. I'm not really sure, but this is what their packaging looks like. This is a body wash. They also have conditioners and shampoos and body lotions as well, but I have been using their body wash, and it's all natural ingredients, and I believe this product is vegan. Yes, this is a vegan product. No animal testing, no parabens, no phthalates and none of that stuff, okay? It's all natural, and some of the proceeds go back to women and families in West Africa. So you're definitely supporting a good cause by purchasing from this brand, and it smells really good. My body feels clean. This says it's for normal to very dry skin. My skin doesn't feel dry when I get out the shower because we don't need that. We don't need dry skin. We don't need calluses. We don't need none of that. So this is helping me, it's helping you, and it's helping the community. Get it. Last but not least in this category is Honey Pot Co. This is a feminine hygiene brand. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, but it was definitely circulating on social media a few months back, and I finally got around to trying it after it was sold out for months, and I think it's still sold out because I don't see it at Target anymore. I only got to try it that one time, and I wish I would have stocked up on it. Now we're moving on to hair care. So most of these brands that I'm going to mention are catered toward our natural hair girls, but most of them do have a ton of different products on their websites. So I encourage you to check out these brands for yourself and do some research on other brands that may cater to you and your hair type. First up, we have Miel Organics. So I've used a few of their products, and my hair really likes their leave-in conditioner the most. They also have a really good shampoo and conditioner that my hair likes as well. And all of these products are from their pomegranate and honey line. Now again, this is not a review. Everyone's hair is different, so just because I only like a certain product, that doesn't mean that you're not gonna like anything else. So I definitely suggest you try out the other lines in their brand as well, because I haven't tried them. This is the only thing I know, but this is what I like, and my hair loves it. I definitely recommend trying this if you have kinkier hair textures. I have like a 4A, 4B texture, so, and 4C. I got all the 4s, okay? I got a 4 for 4. I got a 4 for 4. I got all hair textures, all the type 4 hair textures are in my head. I have a 4 for 4, okay. The next brand that I really like is TGIN. Thank God it's natural. I recently worked with them in October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and they were just a pleasure to work with. I personally like their green tea leave-in conditioner. The owner of the company is a breast cancer survivor, and she uses her platform to encourage women to take care of their personal health along with the health of their hair. So I really love that. Check out TGIN. I believe they're available at Ulta, Target, and on their website, of course. Next up is Camille Rose. Y'all, this that girl, okay? This is the girl. She's that girl. I live by the Almond Joy twisting butter. Like, is it Almond Joy, Almond J? I don't know, but my hair says okay. She said, I love it. This literally is the only product that keeps my hair moisturized for days. Like, days. I could do my hair to twist out and take the twist out at the end of the week, and my hair will still feel like I just moisturized it. Okay? She does it for me. She does it when no one else can. I can always count on Camille. So Camille Rose, ladies and gentlemen, check them out. I also want to add another brand that I've worked with as a product photographer, and that is Uli Beauty. This brand is made specifically for people who have locks, but since I have the product that I've been photographing, I actually use it on my hair while it's in braids, and I love it. It's great. If you do have locks, you may be a bit more interested in checking out their products, but even if you don't, this Magic 17 oil, I love it. I've been taking it out, and it has like a little, whatever this thing is called, and you can just drop it into the parts of your hair, and it's really convenient. So I would definitely check them out, Uli Beauty. Now, if you got 4 for 4 hair like me, if you got type 4 natural hair, then this next product is something that you definitely want to get. It is from She Is Bomb collection. This is their Edge Control. This right here, I've gone through 3 of them. This keeps my edges laid. Okay, this is the She Is Bomb Edge Control. So another black woman owned business. I believe she has other edge control products for braiding and stuff like that. So check her out. She is bomb. Cause what? She is bomb. The next company that I want to plug is another company of a friend of mine. It is Confident Combs. So she sells, nonetheless, combs. She sells hairstyling utensils. She has brushes. She has a unique array of combs. Like this has little squiggly lines. This has shorter teeth when you really want to get into your roots. And then this, of course, is a rat tail comb. But she'll tell you on her website what all of these different shapes and types of combs are used for. But you should check her out. It's confidentcombs.com. And she also has head wraps, head scarves, and bonnets, satin pillowcases, all the things you need to take care of your hair. So while we're on the topic of hairstyling utensils, let's talk about Petrie Co. So this is the brand of Kirsty Petrie, who you may have seen some of her videos on YouTube. She does amazing hair tutorials. She now has her own brand, and she sells hairstyling utensils such as this edge brush, which I love because it has this cute little comb at the back. And this has been really convenient because I've been using a toothbrush the old-fashioned way. We don't have to do that no more. In 2021, get you an edge brush. Just go ahead and get it. It's not that expensive, it's cute, and it looks better than a dirty toothbrush. So she has this, and she also sells combs and brushes. But in addition to that, she does sell hair care products. This braid glaze, which is another edge control. So I love the packaging of this, super cute. I use this on my edges sometimes, or I use it when I'm doing my box braids. Now moving on to clothing and accessories. There are so many Black owned clothing stores, especially online and within your community as well. The first one I want to mention is shopbarebasics.com. I found this one through Instagram. If you're a person who likes to keep it neutral, this is the perfect site for you. Or if you're looking to add some staple pieces or basic pieces to your wardrobe, you can definitely find that on this website. These are a few things that I've purchased. This is a zip up top. The quality is pretty good, and you can unzip it from the top or you can unzip it from the bottom. The sleeves are long enough, which I'm a tall girl, so that's always a plus for me. And this is actually the first thing that I bought, which was a two-piece set. I believe it was $25. This is a crop top with a zip-up neck. Again, the sleeves are really long, and it has thumb holes, okay? It has thumb holes. The quality, okay, top tier. The next website is Silhouette Styles. I found them on Instagram as well. They have a few more standout pieces. They have a lot of dresses, but they also have crop tops. They have jeans, jeans that fit curvy girls, which is a big thing because a lot of brands, a lot of smaller brands typically only go up to a certain size. So she does cater to our curvier girls. I've only ordered from them once because they sell out really fast. So the things that I want, I haven't been able to get yet. But I did order this crop top, which is a long sleeve shirt. Again, super basic, but super cute, and the material is great. And it's double lined, or is it double lined? Yeah, I think it is. Yep. So it's really thick, good material. And this is my first time ordering from them, so that's already a plus. The material's good, the sleeves are long, and I will definitely be ordering more from her. For all my tall girls, okay, girls taller than me, I'm 5'9", but this store called Ninth Closet has clothing that fits women who go up into the 6 feet category, okay? And I love that for us. I love it. I love it. I haven't been able to order anything from her because the pieces that I want are always sold out. But she has leggings, joggers, jeans, dresses, two-piece sets. The sleeves are long. The leggings are long. You can't see me, but I have my legs up. I just can't wait. Wastings is another small Black-owned businesses that you can shop if you're interested in getting waist beads. I believe she has an SD shop. I will link that in my description box as well. I have some and I love them. Definitely worth it, and it's not expensive, so check her out. So now we're moving on to our last category, which is everyday household items. So these next two brands I personally have not purchased from, but I think they are a great alternative to buying these household items from large corporations. First, we're gonna start with True Detergent. It's True Laundry Detergent, and their website is thetrueproducts.com. They sell laundry detergents and fabric softeners. So if you want to support a Black-owned business in your daily or weekly home activities, then definitely check out True Laundry Detergent. The next brand is Coral Oral Toothbrushes. This is a Black-owned toothbrush company. If you do want to support a Black-owned business in your daily oral care, check out Coral Oral Toothbrushes. The next business that I want to discuss is a candle company. This is Center In Candles and Shea Butters. So this is right here is a candle. And what's unique about this is that it can also be used as a massage oil. So when you blow out the candle after it's melted, you can let it cool off for a little bit, and then you can use it to rub into your skin. So I think that's really unique, and it smells great. And lastly, I want to talk about another candle company called Des Noir Candles. This body candle has been very popular on social media lately, and I had to get one, and I was so glad when I found a Black woman owned business that was selling these candles. And I mean, look at her, the Kiana, okay, do you see that? I know y'all see that thing. The Kiana. This candle smells so good, and I'm not gonna burn it. I just want it to sit on my desk. This is another great product to have if you like this aesthetic. Support this Black woman owned business and buy yourself a candle. Des Noir. Hey. If you want to find more Black owned businesses, you can check out some of these sites like garnersgarden.com. This site actually sells beauty products, skincare products, oral care products, literally everything in a list. And I believe all of the products are all natural and vegan. So you can check out this website. There's a ton of stuff there. The Nile list is another one, as well as WeBuyBlack.com. So if you go on these websites, you can find a ton of different Black owned businesses, as well as by searching Google. Supporting Black owned businesses supports families, it supports local communities, it builds generational wealth across Black communities, and it helps to tighten the racial wealth gap. Most importantly, don't just support these Black owned businesses during Black History Month, or on Juneteenth, or on a Blackout Day, or when something crazy happens in the world that causes civil uproar. You should be supporting these Black owned businesses all year round, because they need your help all year round. And again, like I said, you don't have to be Black to support a Black owned business. I can admit that I know I can do better at supporting some of the businesses within my community, as well as other Black owned businesses online, and just small businesses in general. And I know that you can do the same. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. If you liked it or found it useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. Be sure to share this video on social media so we can help spread awareness to all of these great Black owned businesses. My Instagram is at @XOStephBell if you want to follow me there. Leave a comment down below if you are a Black business owner, or if you know of any Black owned businesses that you'd like others to shop. Thank you again for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.